I invest in stocks for dividend retirement income. Future cash flow is my goal and my end game. At the same time, I also want to invest my money where I overall beat the market. After years of investing, learning, and making mistakes, I realized that the best chances I have of meeting my cash flow goals and beating the market at the same time is by using a strategy that's used by Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Mohnish, Pabrai, and Spier. And that is focused investing. So I combined that with the strategy of buying only dividend paying companies, and that's where focused dividend investing was born. Join me on my journey where I will share all my strategies, analysis, and all the mistakes I've made over the years. This channel is about financial education and giving everyone out there the tools necessary to achieving their financial goals and being financially independent. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I also encourage everyone out there to have conversations in the comments section and share their thoughts and ideas. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.